So, surprisingly enough, a lot of people reach out asking for ranch style homes that are full brick. Well, today I'm going to show you a community that offers ranch style homes that are full brick. And if you stick around to the end, you will see an option for a multi generational suite. Stick around. Hello family, we are about to go into the Martin floor plan. This floor plan at the motto is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home with a 3-car garage. And as I said, if you stick around to the end, I will show you how you can turn this floor plan into a multi-generational suite. Let's go on inside. Now this home is located at Sonata by Mattamy in Mint Hill. Now Mint Hill is a desirable suburb of Charlotte. When you come in, you have a little courtyard, and then you have a dining room to your right. Now we'll come back to this area and I'll show you how you can convert it into a multi-generational suite. You have a large butler pantry. Remember, as with any of my home tours that I provide you, if you're interested in this community or any community in North or South Carolina, please do not hesitate. Reach out to my team and I. We will gladly help you and assist you in finding a home that fits your needs. Our number and contact information is on the screen and in the description below. What I love about this downstairs area is that it is perfect for entertaining. You have the kitchen, you have the dining area, you have the living room, large island, and you have that outdoor space. Now let's head to the wing with the secondary bedrooms before we head upstairs. Upstairs, you'll see this huge loft area, as well as a full bathroom and a huge bedroom. So if you have guests, you just send them upstairs and they have their own living quarters. Now we're about to head into the owner's suite, where you will see the tray ceilings and just the fine finishes that Mattamy offers. We are about to take a look at the spa shower package, where you have the rainfall shower head as well as the shower head in the wall. Large walk-in closet right here. Now come with me, I want to show you how they can turn this 3rd-car garage and this dining room into the multi-generational suite. Now you do have the 2-car garage on the other side, but this 3rd-car garage, if you choose to, can turn into a multi-generational suite, as you see right here on the screen, where you will have a huge bedroom, your own bathroom, and a walk-in closet. Please don't hesitate to reach out to my team and I so we can assist you in your home buying or home selling needs in North and South Carolina. I'm Sir Ashley. Talk soon.